Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lettuce salad with Thousand Island dressing, only way. Begin by washing and drying lettuce thoroughly so dressing clings and leaves stay crisp. Tear lettuce into bite-sized pieces, then chill briefly. Prepare a simple Thousand Island, taste for balance, and toss gently. Add crunchy toppings last to preserve texture, serve immediately, and enjoy a bright, creamy salad that stays crisp and flavorful every time. Gather all ingredients before you start to speed the process and avoid overdressing. Prepare lettuce, cucumbers, onions, and optional proteins like hard-boiled eggs or diced ham. Mix Thousand Island dressing in a bowl and taste for tang, sweetness, and salt. Adjust as needed. Keep dressing chilled until ready, then toss with lettuce just before serving so leaves remain crisp and flavors are balanced and fresh. Assemble the salad with care to keep flavors and textures distinct and enjoyable. Start by placing chilled lettuce in a large bowl and reserve delicate herbs for garnish. Drizzle a moderate amount of Thousand Island and fold gently until coated evenly, then top with crunchy cucumbers, seeds, or croutons. Plate immediately or serve family style, offering extra dressing on the side so everyone can choose their preferred level of creaminess.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.